Hello, greetings. This is Gilles. I wanted to come and make a video. I'm not really sure I'm going to be able to come back soon for making those videos. Maybe for I have so many things to deal with. So I thought I'd make one more. And I'm going to pull 10 cards with the Dakini. It was very intense cards for the much more fun cards here in the English video. The French video, the cards were really intense. But here it's like the much more appeased. And so well, a piece, but although just the final cards was very cool in the French video, and here the final cards much more intense. So the situation is playfulness, is amusement. It is I'm sorry, my phone reads everything in reverse, like in a mirror. So it's about having fun, about being playful, about fulfilling our sexual desires and passion. What comes around the situation is the burning bush. It is a revelation. It is a light that's coming from heaven, there, from a higher self that is revealing to us so many things. What we see before us in our conscious mind is eternal life. It is the Ankh. It is the key of life. It is the key of it is the secret of eternal life. We see that before us. Life is just here. It's just an experience, but we are connected to this eternal life. In our subconscious, we have the living goddess. It is the card of balance, harmony. She's so beautiful. It's the card of beauty and balance and harmony. Where we are now is transformation. It is a brand new beginning. It is about integrating the past harmoniously and being prepared for a new beginning. What's coming in the near future is Mercury, is the power of the magician. All kinds of miracles will become possible. So let us be ready. What we feel we are in this situation, our strength is self-preservation. It means like when we feel in danger, we are able to self-preserve within ourselves. We are able to self-preserve in order to stay serene. What comes to us from the outside world is just a temporary, just passing through. It's just a temporary situation. What we feel in our hopes and fear, in our inner emotion, is the tree spirit. It is how to grow. It is how to learn from trees and to learn this idea of growth. And the outcome is the Holocaust. It is everything that is no longer wanted by a higher self will be expurged with grace and ease or with force. So it is about to be cooperative, because once we allow those things to expurge, we're going to find this magnificent abundance. So it's far more better to it's quite a wonderful outcome to see this abundance that is coming once everything has been expurged. Well, I hope this resonated with you. I wanted to say sleeping is very important. The more you can sleep, the better, in some sense, because although for me, they only allow me to sleep 3 to 5 hours a night for past months. For months, it's like, or at least weeks, but to sleep, because when we sleep, we are given an opportunity to explore all kinds of higher realm, even if we are not able to retrieve the information or to remember. We still have a lot of freedom in our dreams, in our sleep time. Before we go to sleep, it is a good exercise to visualize yourself inside a crystal pyramid on the etheric plane, and to see an elongated circle table, like an elliptic circle table made of crystal, and you lie in it. So you lie in the crystal table, and you call on the light from the city of light, where the angels and the higher spirit live, to catalyze their energy into the pyramid and into your body, so it purifies it. What we seek is to see the world coming into alignment with God, alignment with love. But it will take time. For this world is really there has to be this destruction of the old before the new can come in. For I have so much good in my inner life right now. It is so rich and so abundant, and I know my inner guidance has never betrayed me. I've been working on it for 25 years. It's so much more intelligent than me, and so I have to trust it. Yet my physical outside life is completely opposite to what my inner life is. So I have just got to... The problem is that when I'm tuning to my inner light, I'm totally happy. But then when my mind goes back into the realization of my physical life, then it just locks it up. It slows it down. It shuts out the inner love and the feeling of inner love. So it is a challenge. It is good to continue to, no matter what, to stay true to yourself and continue to give out, give energy. Energy is the most precious. To give your energy, your good energy, to people, and ask to stay in joy and not. Although it's not easy when you have certain security, when your root, your base is solid, it's much easier to live in joy. Than me, I'm like in total. I have to live one day at a time. I have like But I did have a past life in India where I had no necessity. I didn't care anything about the material world. I was just a yogi. I was living moment by moment, and when I was hungry, I would go to a fruit trees and eat a fruit, and then the rest of the time I would meditate. But in this lifetime, it's a bit different. Sometimes my life is becoming so nightmarish. Sometimes I feel like it must be I must have done something in some other past lives where I feel I need to finish my life in hell, in misery and loneliness and poverty, and so. But it's like very, very disturbing. And for what I live inside is totally abundance, and when I see outside it's just the manifestation of my physical reality. It's so much opposite. For I feel I'm gonna stay, maybe I don't know how, but I don't know where I'm gonna stay for the next couple of days in Cannes, and because I have to feel I have to wait to check my mail, but then afterwards I may go to Paris for a few days to see a friend, because I can't see myself living on the street. To be homeless and to be I cannot. It's just not something I can. I don't think I would survive that. To live that. But maybe it's a karma from past life to live a nightmare. I have to accept that. What's very important, I will go to Paris. I'm going to try to talk to auctioneers and some friends and see, because my priority is to retrieve. I have 1,500 paintings that are locked into my apartment, and I don't want to lose them all because they estimate the painting $3 to $5 each. You know, it's like that would be. But Spirit is actually probably like supervising this, and we will not let it. Hopefully, they won't let all my paintings be destroyed. I would probably rather have them destroyed than fall into the hands of the French government or those people. But nevertheless, I'm gonna sing a song. So I just wanted to make this last video. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll come back in the next video in a state of joy and happiness. So I'm still joyful and happy. It's just when I have to deal with all these material things right now, it feels like a nightmare. So I feel like call me back home. I'm ready to come home. But it's a song, it's a French song. It's called L'Aigle Noir. It goes like this. This is the black eagle. Un beau jour, ou peut-être une nuit, près d'un lac, je m'étais endormi. Quand soudain, semblant crever le ciel, et venant de nulle part, surgit un aigle noir. Lentement les ailes déployées, lentement je le vis tournoyer. Près de moi, dans un bruissement d'ailes, comme tombé du ciel, l'oiseau vint se poser. Il avait des yeux couleur rubis et des plumes couleur de la nuit. À son front brillant de mille feux, l'oiseau roi couronné portait un diamant bleu. De son bec il a touché ma joue, dans ma main il a glissé son cou. C'est alors que je l'ai reconnu, surgissant du passé, il m'était revenu. Dit l'oiseau, oh dis emmène-moi, retournons au pays d'autrefois, comme avant dans mes rêves d'enfant, pour cueillir en tremblant des étoiles, comme avant dans mes rêves d'enfant, comme avant sur un nuage blanc, comme avant allumer le soleil, être faiseur de pluie et faire des merveilles. L'aigle noir, dans un bruissement d'ailes, prit son vol pour regagner le ciel. Un beau jour, peut-être une nuit, près d'un lac, je m'étais endormi. endormi. Quand soudain, semblant crever le ciel, et venant de nulle part, surgit un aigle noir. Un beau jour, ou était-ce une nuit, près d'un lac, je m'étais endormi. Quand soudain, surgissant de nulle part, surgit un aigle noir. Un beau jour, une nuit, près d'un lac, endormi. Il venait de nulle part, il surgit, l'aigle noir. French song, an older song about this lady who sleeps near a lake and has this mystical experience with a black eagle. I don't know, it went through my head, this song, this morning. So I'm going to pull 4 more cards. The highest wisdom is balance, equilibrium. What we need to understand is luck. Well, maybe for me, I say maybe I'll be lucky. Maybe something like miracles are going to happen. They're going to shift my whole mental process, my life process. What we need to do is wealth. Wow, wonderful. We need to do is wealth. To acknowledge, for I do feel this inner wealth. It's so obvious within. It's just it needs to manifest outside in order to free me up from this limitation. And the outcome is a reward. So there are some rewards that are coming. And so it will be so it looks good. It looks good. It's just we have to be patient with ourselves and to continue to cultivate this inner guidance. For I'm very glad my inner guidance is letting me know that everything will be fine. Nevertheless, my mind needs to make some plans. It's like I cannot. It's like I just can't see myself if I don't have any other option to. I don't see myself living on public bench. It's just not possible. I would live 3 days and I would kill myself. So since I want to survive a little bit longer on this planet, I do have to have some kind of plans to, and just in case there is no money coming in. So it's like it's a strange time, but I'll go to Paris. I'm going to try to see if I talk to auctioneers and talk to some friends and see what I can do from there to change the air, because it's like sometimes it's good to change the air. Well, thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful day. I'm looking forward to come back with wonderful news for myself, and I hope you enjoyed those times and you have hopefully be able to take a vacation and enjoy yourself and take the time for yourself to feel good and prepare yourself for all the wonderful things that are coming up. Thank you very much. Namaste.